Much love, family, and welcome back. Today I am talking about why you should not lock. I know I'm usually saying, reasons to lock, the pros, and all that good kind of stuff. But today it is reasons why you should not lock. So definitely stay tuned, like this video if you like this video, and subscribe if you haven't already. All right, let's do it. All right, fam, so I hope you are doing well today. Whether it is the week, the weekend, the day, the night, I hope you are well. All is well here, and I am excited to be chatting with you once again. So the first reason why you should not lock is if you are a person that, does not like surprises. You like things very precise, exactly how you plan them out, then locks may not be for you. Because no matter all the planning you do with your grid patterns, how big your locks are, all that good stuff, locks still come out different. Every head is different. They come out different. There's no way to make two heads exactly the same. You may get similar, but you just don't know how your hair is going to look in locks until you have tried it, which is why some people have several sets of locks. They'll start one set, once it's locked and they start seeing how it's looking matured, they're like, not so much. They'll try something else, a different pattern, a different size. So you just don't know. So if you are a person that likes things very precise, planned out, then maybe you should not lock. Another reason why you should not start locks is if you are very impatient. If you do not like to wait for things, especially when it comes to stuff like your hair, things with your body, your beauty, if you're just impatient, then it might not be for you. Locks, unless you're talking about faux locks take time. It takes a lot of time. So you're not going to start seeing your hair locked till, a few months in even. So if you do not like to wait and you know that kind of thing is going to get on your nerves, then perhaps you might want to think again about starting locks. The third reason why you should not lock is if you are someone who really enjoys the maintenance of your hair. There are some people, I know a lot of people talk about, myself included, not liking the maintenance. The less I do to my head, the better. That goes with everything. The less I do to anything, the better. I'm a keep it simple person. But if you love that maintenance, you love, doing your twists out, you love detangling days, you love deep condition days, you love flat ironing, you love doing your hair each day and trying something, new with it every day. You like that whole maintenance process. You like sitting under dryers. You like all of that stuff. Maybe you like that. If you like that, then locks may not be for you. Don't get me wrong, with styles and stuff, you can really rock some cool styles, some cute styles. I will link up above to some style videos I have done. But if you like the maintenance, like specific maintenance things like flat ironing and stuff like that, you really enjoy that, you enjoy all of that right now, then that's something you might miss. You might miss that. So that might be a reason why you do not want to start locks. Before I get to my last reason why you should not lock, I want to know down below what you think. Do you have some reasons why someone should not lock? Or what do you think about the whole thing? Please let me know down below. All right, so my last reason is if you are a person who cares a ton about what other people think, and you need that approval, then you might want to second guess, kind of think about locking, because there are going to be different stages, different times when your hair is not, on point, as they would say, or something, not looking like the standard type head. And people have all kinds of opinions and thoughts and things about locks. Uh, it runs the gamut, you know. Some of it's positive, but a lot of it is negative, what people think. I'll link above to a video I did on assumptions people have about locks. So if you care a ton about what people think and you need to have their approval to kind of feel good and, you know, feel good in your life, then you might want to think twice about locking. All right, so that's it. Those are my reasons. And you guys, this is all in fun. Of course, if these hit you on each point and you're still like, I've always wanted to lock, or I'm looking forward to locking, then go right ahead. I mean, by all means, these are just kind of things I thought up of that, you know, a person maybe would be a deterrent to them locking, but you just never really know until you try it. And you can start over. It's hair. You can start over. I know it seems locks seem really permanent, but you can cut them and start again. In some instances, you can even, I know some people are against taking them down, but you can take them down and start again. Or not start again. If you decide it's not your thing, then just take them down and be done with it. But please do not let this deter you or anything else anyone says deter you. Case in point, you guys, I used to be in the Air Force, and before I went in, everything on paper looked like that was not the place for me. The military was not the place for me. Everybody was like, you in the military? Because I'm, you know, very peaceful person and just don't seem like that regimented lifestyle would be for me. There were so many reasons. I won't go into it because it's a little bit off topic. But I went in, you guys. Even to myself, I was like, this seems like it's not for me. But I went in, was in for almost 5 years. The best experience and time of my life. So you just really never know. So if you feel it in your heart, please lock it on up. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave me any comments or questions you have down below. I send you love as always, and I post every Sunday and Thursday, so I will see you again in another few days. All right. Bye.